Sir,
Si Gerard.
Sir,
Ay.
Sir, good morning. Sir, as a former official of PAGCOR, sir, what can you say with the recent announcement of, not recent, but yung ban on Pogo, sir? And yung kung ano po yung kinalabasan nung pag-flourish ng Pogo sa Philippines? Thank you.
Napaka-masalimuot na issue talaga ng Pogo. Sa isang banda, kumikita po ang bayan dyan at hindi galing yan sa pera ng Pilipino, kundi galing sa banyaga. Sa kabilang banda, maraming social disturbance na nagaganap. So para sa akin, that is really, I think, an executive and legislative prerogative. Depende talaga yan sa wisdom ng nakikita nung nakaupo. At ngayon, in their wisdom, nakita nila sa senaryo ngayon, it is best to shut it down. So I respect that.
Follow up.